Hello, I'm Andrew, aka Quassi from Quassi's Bell Tower, and this is another episode of Point Rock Review, where we drink the brew to review for you. So our first brew for the night is Black Chocolate Stout, brought to us by Brewing Company. And the alcohol on this per volume is 10%. And there's nothing else. It's an independent beer. This is brewed and bottled by the Brewing Company, Utica, New York. I think they're actually kind of from Brooklyn, but I think a lot of the brewery that distributes this is from Utica. I could be wrong. Okay, it says a blend of 6 malts produce its dark chocolate aroma and flavor. There is nothing better to enjoy with a rich dessert, fine cheeses, and roaring fireplaces, sorry. But that's it, and I'm more likely, yep, that is definitely a popper. And that will be it. We've had a beer from Brewing Company. The first time we had one, me and Brian reviewed, and I don't think we cared for it too much. I think I've done a few more since then, in which they have gotten better. Let's see what this smells like. It smells like a stout. Black chocolate stout. It smells kind of chocolatey. It smells like a dark chocolate. So let's pour this in and see what it's like. This is winter 2019 release. Okay, a little too much foam in there for me, but that's because I stirred it up with too much beer in it. But we'll let that settle a bit. It's got a nice head, nice dark color. Still smells like a stout. Smells pretty good. Gotta drink through this foam, find out what it's like. So let me get through it. The foam's nice. It's got that nice stout taste to it. You can get a little bit of the chocolate taste in that. It's not bad so far. Just got to get to that beer, guys. Okay, now that I finally got through that foam, and there's just a little bit left, let's see what this tastes like. Good, nice and rich. Thick stout, like most stouts. The chocolate's there a bit. That's definitely a very rich stout. You can kind of taste the chocolate. It's not sweet, of course, guys. But it's there. It's just, this is a very rich stout. Can't really taste the alcohol at being at 10%. Usually that's when anywhere between 10 and above, I can kind of normally taste the alcohol in it quite a bit, like it's really strong. I think the chocolate in it might be mellowing that out. I think if it was any more than 10%, it would just be too much alcohol and it would just not be that great of a stout. This isn't bad, it's pretty good. So our next beer is Evil Genius Beer Company Purple Monkey Dishwasher. It is a chocolate peanut butter porter, ale with natural flavors added, or a 6.7 alcohol by volume. The IBUs are 35. There is no fancy story on this one that I see at all, but that is what it looks like if you didn't see it in the thumbnail. And now we're gonna open this up and see what this is all about. Now that smells like a porter. You can kind of get the peanut butter chocolate peanut butter smell in it, a little bit. Not much, but it smells good, and I can't wait to try this. Once again, just a dark stout. The foam is quite light compared to the chocolate stout here that we had here. This had a dark foam to it. This has a light foam to it. Still smells pretty good. It's got that peanut butter smell to it. There's only one way to find out, guys, and that's to drink this bad boy. Right away I get that whole peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter taste to it. That was mostly the foam, but I get that hit in there. It's definitely there. This does have a nice creamy flavor to it. It definitely has that peanut butter chocolate flavor to it. It's a very good stout. I wouldn't say it's the best chocolate peanut butter stout I've had, but it's good. It's good. It's definitely worth trying if you're looking for a chocolate peanut butter stout. This is definitely one that you should give a try and see if you want to try some of the other ones. If you can't find them, you know, eventually you do. This is pretty good. I kind of like this. So our first review is the Brooklyn Brewing Company's Black Chocolate Stout. Now, it was definitely a stout. Black chocolate, it's just kind of a name. By the way, this is a Russian Imperial Stout. It was a little bit thick. Not really thick, but it was kind of a little on the heavy side. It was a stout. That's all I can say. The alcohol was up there. You couldn't taste it. Like, it wasn't overpowering, which was good, which was really good. But it's just a stout. It's got some black chocolate, I guess, taste to it. Like I said, it's an independent beer. It's good. I just don't see me buying this again, honestly. No offense. I could find some other stouts that would make me happy to drink, and I would just pass on this, honestly, guys. I'm gonna have to give this one a 2.5. So our next review is Evil Genius Beer Company's Purple Monkey Dishwasher. Now, this is a chocolate peanut butter porter. I might have said stout in the beginning of this video. If I did, bad me. But anyways, this was good. I've had some chocolate peanut butter beers before. I think they were mostly porters. I don't know if any of them were stouts, but I kind of like the porter better than I do stouts anyways. This was really good. It had the hint of peanut butter. It had the hint of chocolate. It's a porter. Porters are good. And I kind of like this, and I have to give this one a 3.5. This is definitely something to try out, guys. So give this a try if you like your porters. So that's 2 beers, 2 reviews, and 2 more reasons to try a chocolate beer. Until next time, guys. Any of you local viewers that watch our channel, go check out Anacostia and check out their huge selection of beers. If you want something different than the norm, I would go there. So if you're ever in Rome, New York, go check out Anacostia. And tell them Point Rock Review sent you.